So this doesn't happen often here in Nevada, where we get some pretty good thunderstorms, but it's been raining for the past couple days, and children are playing in it. They're growing. No umbrella! Yeah, this doesn't happen often. Were you trying to take a squat? What were you doing there? Okay. And then I have my hardcore wife working in the rain, making a new path for us. So we're taking advantage of the rain here in Nevada because it doesn't happen very often. Having a good time.